Hello guys, so welcome back to our channel. So before we move on to our vlog, I just want to show you guys what Shein sent me for this collaboration. First off is this beautiful bag. So it's in a very light blue color. I love the keychain. I think this is an elephant keychain, and it has this shoulder strap. And it's adjustable. You can adjust how long you want it. It also has like this if you just want it to be a handbag. And it has a lot of room inside. There you go. You have a pocket here. A pocket. It's a nice quality bag. This is like $40 on the Shein website. Okay, and it has a zipper. It's really nice. There you go. Very nice. I love it. Thank you, Shein. Alright, next one is this skirt. I already worn this once. Alright, the fabric is kind of like linen cotton blend. Perfect for summer. And it has a, like this, like a bow. You can actually use this in the back or in the front, but match it with a like a plain shirt. We also have it's like a skirt, but it's a dress pants. So dress pants, very flowy. Ayan. Very nice, stretchable strap, and this is size large. Alright, and everything that I show you guys today, I will link it in the description box below. Also the link for all these items. I have the jelly shoes. I love jelly shoes. I got jelly shoes from Shein before. There's two of them, and I got another two. This is the kind of like yellow or gold. Also have the pink. I like this better than the last jelly shoes I got, but the thing is, this is, I think I put the wrong size. So I am size 41 in Euro size, and this is 40. So this is like size 8, and I'm size 9. And this is the pink one. It's just perfect for summer or easy wear summer shoes. Check out Shein. Also, they have a coupon code. I'll flash it here, or I'll link it in the description box below for extra savings. And yeah, so let's move on to our vlog. Come fast, come fast. Beauty. Thank you.
S?
L. S pala, ano ba? S? Oh, S pala, S.
This,
Which way? This way, that way?
either way. Less hot.
Less hot. You like it?
Still
Because it's
hot.
less hot.
It's less hot, but
Kuya, hanap tayo ng laundromat, guys. Kasi wala na kaming masuot na damit. Kasi yung baon naming sakto lang na sakto lang ba na sa araw na binitbit namin. Eh ngayon, sa init dito sa New York, nakalakad kami, and nagdalawang beses, tatlong beses kami papalit ng damit. Kaya, uy, ito MJ the Musical. Dati, MJ the Musical. This is a musical kasi nasa Broadway kami. So yan, Michael Jackson, the musical winner, Sony Awards. So kailangan kami saka si Kuya is gusto niya yung pangarap niya makapunta sa 7-Eleven, and meron namang 7-Eleven. So wap. Salamat po. Salamat po.
no, go.
Go. Ben! Boy, this is a bike lane. Be careful.
Coming. Oh no!
Hanap din tayo ng yung 7-Eleven nga. Kasi gustong-gusto ni Kuyang makapunta sa 7-Eleven. Wala kasi kaming 7-Eleven. Di pa sila nakarating sa 7-Eleven. Palagi silang ano, kakapanood sa YouTube, 7-Eleven sa Japan, sa Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines. Pero wala naman sa amin. Never pa silang nakapunta. Okay guys, nahanap na natin yung ating laundromat. Ito yung ating laundromat. No, sarado?
Now no more wash.
No more wash? 7-Eleven! Ayan na! So, we're gonna experience 7-Eleven. Ito yung pangarap ni Kuya. Thank you. Dito. Yes, sir. Okay, 7-Eleven. Do you want to get something? I think there's... Wait, what? Oh, Gouda cheese. This looks good. This one? Hold on, they're still making it. Oh, there's tortilla. Taco. Kuya, taquito. Ito pa, meron pa dito.
Breakfast burrito. There's no breakfast burrito.
There's sandwich too.
$7.
Big gulp. Woo! Yeah. Ngayon lang sila nakarating dito, guys. Kuya, do you wanna choose any of these pa?
Frozen Coke.
Whoa! You okay?
I got the big.
They have coffee here. Ngayon lang kasi talaga kami, guys, there is. Ngayon lang kami, guys, nakapunta sa 7-Eleven. Because we don't have 7-Eleven. Which one? Maybe
Just a regular hot dog.
that one, the big bite. Ikaw, Kuya, choose
I want the regular hot dog.
the regular hot dog. Okay.
With ketchup.
Okay.
Steak and cheese topping.
Okay, steak and cheese. You want to do two, so it's $3. It's
Yeah.
Ben, this one. Oh, Ben, wow, big bite.
And then the ketchup.
The ketchup.
There you go.
Okay, there you go.
Then my face.
Kuya. Alright.
So.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Ayan, nakuha ng boys. First time sa 7-Eleven. No, I didn't see it. Hello guys, so pupunta muna kami. Meron kaming katabi dito na Dwayne Reed, na katabi ng hotel na tindahan, na grocery. Bibilang kami ng sabon, laundry soap. Ano pa? Laundry soap and water na inumin namin. And then maglalaba ulit kami kasi kagabi hindi natuloy yung paglalaba namin. Sarado na yung mga laundromat kasi naman 9 o'clock na. So ngayon maaga kami bago kami uli lumarga. And so yun muna ang gawin natin. Punta tayo sa grocery store. Later, si Kuya lang sinama ko kasi taga-buhat ng tubig. Gonna pick up the water, right? Tabi na yun. Ito muna tayo sa roof deck. Ito muna tayo roof deck ng hotel. Pero sa gabi ito maganda. Ay, wala. Ito yung maganda sa sa gabi. Kaso hindi pa kami nakapunta sa gabi kasi pag uwi namin, na kami, yung pagod na. Parang meron kaming dito, rooftop. Doon pala ang namin, ang kwarto namin. Yan yung tiles. Ayan, dito pala maganda yung view. Kuya, I'll take a picture of it. Yan. Alright. Tama kaya.
Ayun dalawa.
Then, punta na kami sa grocery, grocery lang tayo ng tubig lang naman, tsaka sabon na panlaba. Yun lang. Okay. Hello. Ito yung lobby. Ito yung lobby nila. Lobby nila is nasa 5th floor. Tapos yung ground floor, tapos may tindahan din doon. Tapos yung ground floor nila is yun yung street ang tawag doon, lobby. Lobby ba? Street lobby pala nga. Dito tayo sa street lobby or Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
So, ito pa. So, yung pupuntahan nating grocery store. Yeah, Grainery this right here. Yan lang. Yung pagkalabas ng hotel. Ando na, pero yeah, ang entrance ay dito. So, malapit lang. Buti lang. Ayan, dito tayo. Ito na, yung ating tubig lang naman. And soap. Okay. Kuya, ito. Alright.
Oh, Mama, this is the one.
Yeah. Dito tayo ba sa'yo? Sa tubig. Mura naman. Ang tinda nila dito is dito ba sa ito ang aking binibili. This one. Ay, Poland Spring. Sobrang laki. Sobrang laki naman. Ito na lang na, kaya Poland Spring. Daddy likes the Poland Spring. Okay. Yan, okay. So, meron sila dito na downstairs. Come on, kuya. Gonna go downstairs. Meron din dito mga souvenir. Ito, I love it. Uy, ang cute nito. Kuya, look how cute. Wow. Ito yung ginagamit na Metro card. How much is this? Walang price eh. Ang cute. Up. Alright. Up. Yan. So, gusto ko talaga silang masanay ng gatas. So, meron ditong itong grocery store may 7th floor. Watch your step, baba. Okay. A laundry soap. Let's see, where's the laundry soap? Lotion. House. Ito laundry. Dito tayo. Ay, naka-ano.
Look at this.
There's a lock, yeah. Ay, wala nung ano. Wala pala nung puro malalaki. Naku. Ang lalaki ng soap nila. Ay, ito na lang. Ano to? Ito mura lang o 199. Walgreens Laundry Detergent. Ito na lang. 199 lang oh. Yay! Okay. Ito na lang guys. Kasi ito 7 Ito naman parang local brand. Okay. Yun na lang.
Future, we have a customer service bell.
Oh, okay.
And this one also, you just to black take everything.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, if you don't see anybody here.
Oh, okay. May service button.
And this one?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ayan, 199 lang. Mura na yun. Tama na to sa lahat ng damit natin. Si Kuya nag-ano pa. You can look around. I like this. Ang cute. Titingin si kuya. Okay guys, aakyat na kami. Ating morning run. Okay. So, counter tayo, kuya. Dito, baba. Okay, guys. So, yeah. Alright.
Hi guys, have a good day.
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can do that and hold the bottom too. Yan. So, para makaan na tayo. Ayan. Yan, mag-laundry tayo. Laundry tayo, guys. 9th Avenue. Nandito pala yung mga kainan. Tapas. Ating isang punong laundry. Wala na kaming damit, guys. Last na ito. Last na yan. Ito sa akin meron pa ako, pero wala na. Wow, it's nice, ha? It's not too hot. Ito ang gusto ni Ben. It's very nice. Oh, tingnan ko naman ang baby. Ito na, guys. Sa laundromat. $4.25. Ah, you have to get the card first. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get $6. And then the dryer, baby, is how much for dry?
Here's Guy now with the details.
Forecast highs today will make it to the low 80s. We'll have some sunshine, some humidity. It'll feel a little more comfortable than the past couple of days. Upper 70s by late morning. Lunchtime temperatures in the low 80s, hitting our high temperature early in the day, right around 1 o'clock this afternoon. Mild, though, for the first half of the evening. Tomorrow, 90. So we only take a small...
Just paid cash because there's a surcharge. Oh.
You guys shake this?
Can you pull
One cap.
Huh?
One cap full.
Yeah. A little bit more. So we'll be smelling good. Alright. Sapon natin.
$8.
Okay. So place card above. Wash it. Let's start na. Let's start na. Ano ba? Warm. Tapos wash. Right, Ben? Click mo nga dito.
Wash.
Ah, the door is ano pala? The door is not closed. First time natin. Okay. Alright, start na, Ben. Click mo.
Start.
Ayan. Okay, so meron pa tayong $2 for the dryer. 6 minutes, 30 cents.
Did you know these come in small boxes?
Oh!
Tiny boxes.
How much is that?
You have to put
Okay, guys. Sa number 9. Wow, so much soap. Oh, but this one has more. Baba. Ben, no? Yung suot ni Ben, ito, this is Kuya's shirt. Kasi nga, we don't have shirt anymore. Kasi we change 3 times a day, no? Because it's so hot. And then we walk a lot. So, yun ay kay Kuya ng t-shirt.
Mama, it's getting cool.
It's getting cooler, yeah? That's good.